never chase a.
Yo, what's up guys, Grandma here again, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut and be a pro at making thumbnails. So what you guys got to do first is you got to go to your lasso tool and you want to press on polygon lasso, which will be pretty much at the top on the right of your lasso. It should be right here. Oops. I mean, right here. Alright, so when you got that done, basically what you will do is you'll hold down on like what you want to cut around, and then you'll let go, but then tap it again, like left click with your mouse, and then just keep doing that over your image. Just note that the smaller segments you cut, the more round and curved it'll probably end up getting, which will result into a sharper image. So I recommend doing that. Alright, so once you're about done with your lasso, what you want to do is you want to make a nice line from where you ended all the way to the other side. Do not try to go up to the file or whatever I was trying to do to get to the next part right here. This honestly was just a stupid idea. I completely forgot that I got to go to the bottom. So note that you got to start from the bottom and go to the very end, and it'll make like a magic mark. And that will just be easier. After you do that, you just want to go ahead and press edit, cut, and basically after you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to press file, new image. You're going to click the two bottom things, check the boxes, and now make the resolution bigger than the image it was itself. So as you see me, I did 1500, or I did 1000, but now I'm going to change it to 1500. And after you do that, you're going to get an image like this. It may or may not be big enough for you in the center, so just move it to the center with the move arrow, free transform in the edit section, and make it big enough for your liking so then you can make it. Now after you do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the layer you were just working on. And after you find the layer that you were just working on, you're going to want to hit the button with the box, but it looks like this is. After that, you're going to hit outer layer, and then you're going to make the color black if you really want a good outline around the outer parts of your image. It doesn't matter which black you choose, as long as it's black, it'll be fine. Then you want to change your size, and I recommend, I don't know why I did this, but I didn't move the box. Grab the black thing on top of the box and just drag that out of your way, but make sure that you can still edit it. And as you see here, I'm trying to find a good black part around the image, and that should work. So after you do that, you got your perfectly nice image you got here. You cut it out by yourself and you made an outline for your perfect thumbnail. Now what you're going to do is you want to hit file. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys, I hope this helped you guys out. I will see you guys in the next one, and peace. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like the video if this actually worked, because I know it worked for me, just I don't know if it worked for you. See you guys in the next one. Peace!